Y'all, we're gonna do a little shrimp scampi today. No gadgets, no air fryers, no smokers. We're straight on the stove. We're gonna just make a quick, easy scampi with a little spaghetti. It's amazing, you're not gonna wanna miss this one. And it's so incredibly easy to do. We have just some fresh ingredients, got some fresh parsley, got garlic, got some lemon, a little wine, a little butter, some nice jumbo shrimps in there. Guys, it just takes a little bit of prep work. We're gonna dice up that parsley nice and fine to get it over the top, finish it up. We're using fresh garlic, not the jar stuff, so all those jarred garlic haters out there, give me a break today. Got some lemon, we'll squeeze a little lemon juice in there. I'm gonna throw a couple lemon slices in at the end just to kind of bring it all together. We're gonna do the spaghetti. I already got the water boiling for that. I'm gonna do it in a little shallow pan. We want that concentrated pasta water so we have that starch. So when we start blending the pasta with the scampi mix, it'll help emulsify that butter in there and give us a nice creamy sauce. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get that pasta done. We'll set it to the side and then we'll start working on the shrimp scampi. Guys, it's gonna take no time at all. The shrimp cooks in like minutes and we'll have everything prepped and ready to go, have our mise en place ready to go. Guys, the biggest part of this is the prep, okay? You wanna have everything ready to go because when you start building that scampi, it's gonna go quick, okay? Butter, a little oil, got a little crushed red pepper to kind of spice things up. Good stuff, get that garlic in there. All right, let's start chopping. We'll get through the prep. I'm gonna cut the cheeks off, be able to squeeze them on there without any have to worry about any seeds. Those right there, that's for the actual mix. I'm gonna go with 5 cloves of garlic. You can go with more if you'd like, but I think this will be enough. Now I'm cutting these in half to get that paper off of them easier, but we are gonna use the garlic press. I'm gonna add our garlic to the press. All right, guys, we're gonna use about a half a box of spaghetti for this. We're just gonna set that in there, and obviously it softens up, it'll go in. But that's all we need for this dish. Once that's done, we'll start building the scampi. All right, guys, our pasta's almost done, so I moved it to another burner. It's gonna chill out over there, finish up. We're gonna add about a tablespoon or so, nice olive oil. I'm gonna go in with a small nub of butter. It's about 6 tablespoons. Get that melting together. Butter's getting nice and foamy. Let's get that garlic in there. Start sauteing it up real nice. You're not trying to fry this necessarily. You wanna just get a nice little fragrant cook on it. You can start smelling of nice garlic and butter and olive oil in your house within seconds. Turn down the heat a little bit. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of red pepper flakes. Gonna go in with just about a half a cup of white wine. Well, you gotta taste it. Time to get the shrimp in there. The parsley and lemon I do towards the end because you don't really need to cook all that out too much. Get these all kind of flattened out on here so they're all got surface area. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of pepper, cracked black pepper, and just a pinch of salt or so. I use salted butter, so you don't need to kill it with the salt. I'm gonna let these warm through one side, about a minute, minute and a half, and then we'll start flipping them all over and then add our lemon and our parsley. Okay, let's get these all flipped over. You want that nice old pink looking cooked flesh, cooked shrimp. Give these a little bit more cracked black pepper over the top. I'm gonna squeeze our lemon juice in there, or just a little of that parsley in there. Looking good, almost done. All right, y'all, time to get that pasta in there. We're not gonna let it drain off too much. We want some of that pasta water in there. Let that pasta absorb that butter and garlic and oil, that lemon and the wine. You can see how that's emulsified in there, got a nice creamy mix. Dish is done, let's give it a try. All right, guys, I just had to give you a show over again. It's looking too damn good. Of course, I made it all artsy for this thing, and I got me a bite, so I already set up. Nothing better. It's so good, y'all. That was a really good bite. Guys, you gotta give this a try. The flavor through the roof. And listen, I'll have the ingredients and prep down below so you guys don't have to wing this on your own or take notes throughout the video. If you wanna pick up anything I use in my videos, from the knives, the cutting boards, merch, pans, all that stuff, hit links down below. If you want to become a show producer like all these awesome people scrolling in front of me, people who know they're down with a little scampi, make sure you hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. But other than that, guys, we're done. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave a thumbs up on the way out. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.